So my people, I have two videos I'm going to share with you. One with Shebada. I go after Cheese, Ivany and Rosealee wicked. People are the first me ever sit down and watch some of Shebada content. I not lie. Because you can look on my channel, you don't really see nothing with Shebada upon it. Yes, so I say mostly me put Rosealee a respond to Shebada or Cheese a respond to Shebada. You see me never really sit down and watch Shebada like that before. You know what I mean? And I know nothing I have against him lifestyle or whatever. Me just never click and go watch. You see me I say? But seeing that me always share the other people them with him and them inner vibes, it's only right for me share him and I respond to them or him I give it to them, because people, me not lie, me laugh couple times in that one, me not lie to you. But watch some of it still, not all of the video, you know. So some of the part them, me just watch them. You see me I say? And me have one video with Dyema I talk about, you know what I mean, like when she had date a man and, you know, she had talk about some relationship thing and boyfriend this and boyfriend that. You see me never get in the video, so that video you too, me just watch it also. You see me? So me never watch them fully, so me just watch them for react to them, you know. You see me I say? So we're gonna kick it off with Shebada. Me not lie, my people. You don't want to watch this if you don't want a laughter. You see me? Me not lie.
And so Ivany look like she comfortable with passion there. I wonder if her body I heal. I just strongly believe that Ivany go in a prisoner do her shape, you know. Ivany go in a prisoner do her body. Cheese get back piece of fear and money. Cheese go quiet. Like the court case a step up higher. We can't hear from Cheesy Blase. We can't catch really. We can't hear from Cheese. Cheese eat Batman and a catch really one. I don't understand. All you must go down quick, you know. Cheese you must go down your funeral and go Likkle. Cheese funeral and go Likkle. But now bother buying nothing for them. I should not think I go see what I wear. I don't know all your class Batman, so I know one of them I cover you. Like, you know, they're in a poor in a your situation and the Batman and umbrella you. Yeah. Until when you come into Canada, you know, I really don't know, because I don't find no Canadian man. I did have a Canadian man one time, but he looked like he don't remember my all. The boy just absent without leave, so. You know, see me go call a boy, they ask him if I play with me and trouble me. The boy just gone, so absent without leave. I know nothing wrong with my underneath, because my underneath good. Maybe too good for him. You don't know way more, because not every man like look good girl, you know. Some man like when girl skin soft. That's why I wonder if I do my body. I just remain fluxy. Because when me hear Rosealee I tell life and body and about man eat all fear from, that boy they must can dive long. To stop feeling breath and go down into the abyss. That boy must can dive long, because certain size not to talk about eatings, you know. You know, Rosealee look like she have the perfect mouth, can get a cocky, like quiet and suck them one time.
You know, that part of the pause out, me knock you off.
It must dive long, because certain size not to talk about eatings, you know. You know, Rosealee look like she have the perfect mouth, can get a like quiet and suck them one time like a director. But what I'm saying is this. You know, people just kill the vibe of sex when you hear certain persons talk about. You know, me get my crutches in it. My God, my stomach, my chest plate is so weak. It must be a madman, you know. It got to be a madix. It got to be a Madix that eat that sheep. For sure. Then who could I really look for Rosealee, you know, and eat sheep after the belly they lick them? Because nowhere to put the belly them. When they back them, you know, you can turn over, you know, and you can lift up the little ankle, wherever can go. You know? We are going to talk about now how you keep them part, yeah? From negotiating. I just ask, oh yes, so then this Rosealee pum pum they after belly cover she like Mr. Chin lock for the day, shutter. Huh? Then him have to go beg she skin out now, push up all of the belly them. Me tell you say that boy they better can dive. That is called suicide or Rosealee. Close your legs. That is called suicide. But sometimes I just feel like I want to donate the Vaseline team to Rosealee creases. You know, I want some people come together and lift up. They don't have no community project. I do come together and lift up our belly and Vaseline intensive care underneath here. Yeah. You know, the Vaseline intensive care underneath here. Yeah, when are you coming to send kids? I'm not quite sure if I'm coming this year or what. But I was there last year. I guess. Yeah, I don't like that. That's the part I can't take. The lies. I like a almost sour. Rosealee can lift off her roof and you get arcade. And you also lift off her ceiling, you get arcade. Rosealee living condition remind me of Pernell Charles arcade. For sure. And living condition remind me of arcade. And you take off her roof, you start looking there if you can see no blouse with a light. And your shoes. Yeah. And if you wear at, you know it go. So you need some amends powder. You know, wicked to the child though. You know, wicked to the child. Real bad, but she have fight for going on her blouse. That's why Dyema lose the match. Rosealee knows that she not have her side.
Alright, so down in the beginning, when Shebada did a talk, say cheese not like fish. And she live with one fish. So people up on the internet with them and cheese no good. I say cheese live with one of the fish them one here, big one. You see me, I say one big tall one. Say him cheese live with. But him and cheese did have vibes. You know what I mean? Them did kick off on one piece of something. And me never see him and cheese pan alive after that. So my opinion, maybe it's a different fish cheese live with, but not the one when you big one. You see me, I say because I don't think him and cheese good all now. You see, because them did kick off. So make we listen some more.
Yeah, when I rap, call herself Taco Bell rap. You know, so Rosealee big like a burrito. Yeah. Rosealee big like a burrito. Josealee, hi, how are you? Good morning. I can't wait to see you guys when I get to over the seas, not Portmore. Yeah. The Crunch Wrap Supreme. Yes, Jody B, you're late though. You are extremely late, Jody B. Why? We need the next bashment granny. Why? No. Let me tell you about this now. We got some project, Capricorn got some project coming next year. I must tell you about next year project. I can't delve in it too much. However, we have some exciting project coming next year. Yes, my love. So, and we got some new faces also coming to grace you guys. Yes, so it's not going to be this beautiful face all the time. You know, I'm cute, I'm like that, you know, but the front runner face, this is the front runner face. Yeah, I'm in a fat out my band stand that we got some stuff lined up, and for that, yes. So Rosie O'Donnell, King Crab. Somebody wake up King Crab for me now. Somebody wake up King. I love you too, darling. Yeah. Judge Raya would have never rest your name. Judge Raya, you think me would have rest your name, Uncle Raya? Uncle Raya would have never leave off for you. You should have never buy out an argument after I always a vote for you. Judge Raya, I don't care how you want to prosecute me, but me I go give it to you. But if me can't arrest your name, Judge Raya. Oh, you're the landlord, by the way. Who's Shy Guy?
So a cheese name, some people cheese changing name to that. You see me, because cheese take over the core thing like we blingado. But me did I watch you one at a time. You know what I mean? Me not think it a go replace blinger, but the two of them can coexist. You see me? Cheese one are mostly like ghetto. Yeah, you see me? So I got some more.
Judge Roy, let me ask you a question, Uncle Roy. You know you're out to other for in a people business? 11,000 US dollar? 11,000 US dollars? I will follow you. No. Rosealee, you know you're seriously nasty. You know, say if I don't watch myself, people are gonna call me Harry Potter and Nanny McPhee. You know, say from me know myself. A pure map and broom I buy now. Rosealee, $700 I buy this from the man we push in the something we call him Move in Miami. Cause him a little bit expensive. $700 I pay for this. And you're going to tell me say you can't buy one of this and sweep out whatever bother you sign us? $700. I buy this 7 and on a USD, not pounds. 700. And you're going to tell me say you can't just buy one of this Rosealee, please? People not supposed to beg you for clean. Me say the amount of map and broom I have, people are going to start calling me Harry Potter. I say I want to cuss Rosealee with this. It's like how I cuss Judge Roy with Judge Roy, like how I cuss Judge Roy with this. Judge Roy. Yeah. See a killer, I just going to kill you. This. One way or another. Yeah. Whether by health or wealth. And that I going to kill you, Judge Roy.
I cheese what I
tired in my panty patches. Rosealee, all when you're untired of your ankle, you can just sit and say, come on my side. Clean up which part you are used. Clean up where you are used. No clean up nowhere for Shanty. Yeah, no clean up nowhere for Shanty. If Shanty walk up and down more than you. You clean up where you are used. Anywhere where this can stretch, you do it. Use it right there, so hold on there. Cheese, go over here so they can. Rosealee clean. Yeah, come take out the mess and go over this one. Yeah. You see how this easy? You have a sneeze less, cause the dust is far and then breeze now coming out your part. So, and like I said, when you push it here, so the breeze are gonna blow it back over here. So probably which part me, they know the breeze will blow it back because through me open up like downtown and free like Tivoli, yeah, the breeze will blow it back. But like how you know Rosealee over there, so and you when lock up so till you drip, you start to yourself one day, Rosealee. No, you can't lock up so. No, you can't recycle your breathing. Not do that. Because I know that to in a year as if at so in the if ants they just smell it. And nobody really can smell the ants. Them unless the big red one when me a pick me. A long time I don't see them ants. The Rosealee, them gone. Are them over by you?
So, why people, as me say, this it funny to me when me I watch them party. You see me I say, I me never watch all night, so me no know what come further down night. You see me? But a long time Cheese and Shebada, I go at it back and forth. Sometimes then cool off and then them start up again. Rosealee are the same thing. You see me? And as me tell you, me never really sit down and watch him yet. You know what I mean? Me always, you know what I mean? I go, Cheese them a cuss him. Always I go, Rosealee them a cuss him. You see me? But me never yet, him a cuss them. So me buck up on this and me I say, this funny, So me I go share it with Uno. I want to tell more on the things, so I can watch some more people.
Oh, when you have it in your hand, you can't put it down. I see why Rosealee here to know. Because when you have broom in your hand, you find everything to do like you want to take off the color, the tile. And this me not like, look like crash programmer could have fit me. Because I know that in a year as if if ants they just smell it. And nobody really can smell the ants, them unless the big red one when me a pick me. A long time I don't see them ants, the Rosealee them gone. Are them over by you? And this with broom now, when you have it in your hand, you can't put it down. I see why Rosealee here to know. Because when you have broom in your hand, you find everything to do like you want to take off the color, the tile. And this me not like, look like crash programmer could have fit me. And me I get the angle of this. Me I angle the dirt. Yeah man, me I triangle the map. Yeah. Woo. This take a lot out of your Rosealee for sure. You can imagine if you start do this now. You lose up here so and then you have to work after so your wings them where they behind you're gonna get strong. You soon sit down and fly. You soon sit and fly. A good exercise to show. No, but then lie me I tell you, Tanya. It is just the truth. You want to argue with me, argue with this, you play much match. And much match you play. Argue with this, play a match with this man, feel like Harry Potter. One day I'll fly away. Fly away. Fly come back. Fly come back. Fly come back. And you park it right, yes, I get on the game chair. Yeah, it's not hard. You don't know where your power lies. You could have magic in our room. Only if you just hold it, chance it and hold it. Some people don't know how gifted them being. You're going to have your power and your magic. Go to in this and Harry Potter show you. Nothing a lie. It is just a truth. I'm not trouble you. I'm not trouble you. I would never trouble you, Rosealee. Pure honey, good morning. Good morning. How am I doing? People always say me I trouble people, but I'm not trouble nobody. But I know Pamputino come clear the ear about the dancer girl where she make the man molest. So till the girl traumatized and a ball all know. Pamputino says a wicked dirty drunk round. When me tell the people them, you go like say a lie. The whole of them come from dark days. So today when you dip on the internet, I repent, more give you some time tea, cause you confess. For true, a whole heap of wickedness, you do, that's why you have title in the studio now. Cause remember you was a butch. Remember back in the day now you did sodomite. When me tell the people, let me know them do them gang up and cuss me, leave the girl alone. But I cannot understand if Pampute is such a good person and somebody out there is hurting. It's not a lie. Remember, you would sell your soul for the show. Oh, I did so you there. You would sell your soul for the show. That's why you have butter, so. That's why you have butter. Every day you come up, you see people who have them hands dirty. Always I come up and talk about say, you know, sometimes some people don't like you for this, and Pampute from heaven to earth, you need to stop. You need to stop. somebody out there is traumatized by what they are accusing you of, reach out to them. Every day you get up, you say, people not like you, and people just eat you for no reason. And you know you have some girl out there, and you have, and Pampute, everybody knows say you're worse than TC, because from day one people are put it together like puzzle that you can't complete. You cannot complete.
So how was Shebada talk about? Me see one girl pan thing the current show, but me never watch the episode for hear what she a talk about, but me hear she say something about Pampute. You know what, me I go watch it and hear what she say. You see it. And see if for the same thing what Shebada talk about. If I that the girl there. Yeah, me I go watch it and see. And see if for that thing I talk about. So as me say people, me no watch all of this, you know. So all them part here, me just a freshly watch it. You see what I say? So I can watch some more.
Don't know. You act as if you don't trouble people and you have a dark past that you need to repent of. Una always a cry wolf when una are the danger. Me always tell people, you know, but no, this boy don't like women, this boy, and you as a woman allow another woman to be abused because you want cash and you want to be a man's favorite. Nobody no see it, so the girl is traumatized up to today. So when you talk about, and you don't like people and you don't like women and blah blah, how do you take care of your own sex? Because you want me to do it for you. You understand me? So it's when time phone won't show up now, you see me look wicked because I'm talking about it like I'm happy about it. No. Because of that alone I can't say. But since you did state long ago that men are like women, I always a tear down woman. Let me ask you a question. How a female have this to say about you, you're gone in silence? You see it? I wasn't lying about you. I was never lying about you. Every day you took to the internet before you go write a song. Now care what you do for the males in the industry against the females, the males still did not promote you. Up to today you still a battle for find a rhythm. How you not come out come talk about this that is labeled against you? The girl said, Pampute, you know what you do. But that you calm about. True, no one wants your old because I tell them this every day. Because Pampute go through that forget pan rhythm. She believed that the girl must go through it too. She must go through it. So you wanted to make it the norm for the girl. You want to normalize it among the dancers, Pampute. You need to come and solve this. I'll solve it. I'll rewrite it. Wrote or written it. It's true. Exactly, Jody B. No one wants to talk about how another female is hurting because of what she's just a mere dancer. It doesn't matter. Somebody steal her pride and her dignity or invade her person. And all in all, I called my big sister, Pampute, and all Pampute could say to me, did that girl like that you come for? It's meaningless because you have gone through it. And it profits you nothing. It profited you nothing, Pampute. You profited nothing. So I don't know what's sweet you, but when I not talk this. So if Pampute can allow other girls to be harassed, you understand? What about the rest of the girls? But when I sit down for my life, I'm talk. And I say, TC, now remember where you come from because in order for select a call the name, them have to sex you. Da da dee, da da do. Thank you, water. Him have a hole in throat. In order for you to make a name, peanut man have a grind on pussy. You understand me? Not to mention the amount of promoter who have a grind on. Promoter cocky them supposed to tie that some man all. It's a given. But not because that's your style, you should allow another girl to go through it. Not because that's your style. So when it comes down,
people, me don't know none of what go on here, so you see me I say I don't feel my section here, so you see it. So me don't really know what I talk about. You see it. Me know TC. You see me I say she used to be with Spice, she Rebel and the next one named Pretty. Them used to dance with Spice and them do dance, so people are gonna know them, the selector them are gonna know them. You see me? So me no know what go on here, so the Pampute part, me no know what go on this either. Me just watch it, you see me? Cause me see Ivany in it, me see him talk about Rosealee in it and Cheese, you know what I mean, you know my section that. But me know TC them still, but me just go and watch, you see it. So me I go skip forward some of it. I hear what I must say. You know what I mean? So let me know what you think in the comments.
for the lie there in everything when we used to talk for my life. Where is the lie? When we used to talk for my life and me a tear down woman, where is the lie? Pampute enough to get up and motivate nobody unless you go in our church. Pampute must not get up and motivate anyone unless you go in our church. And then me call out the girl. No, Island Queen is not me call out the girl for talk. The girl just decided on talking. And everybody are ash out where everybody want ash out. But you know what is our problem? Certain people alone must talk how certain people treat them. Man, you're blind with your broom. Oh, yeah, no, but it's not. But come up and say, when you speak like that, you throw pay forward you speak. All I know you not repent. Pay forward, nobody now bother you. This is who you are. This is you, Pampute. You know why some people don't like you? Pampute, you don't like nobody. Me can't get up every day and make video, but you know why some people don't like you. And oh yes, it's known. A lot of persons don't like me. You get what I say? Me fit to make videos like that on a daily because I'm upsetting to a lot. But let us talk about you now. All people are trying to hear something from Pan Rhythm. And all they can depend is, you know, sometimes people don't like you because, and you are everything that you're talking about. Go on, bro, me. You are everything that you're talking about. And you see, sometimes people will hate the other images and like Uno because they must only exist long time. You get what I say? But Uno hurt people. Uno hurt people. And nobody enough for hurt Uno. That is why the saying we say, hurt people, it only go for people who care about people. If me and me you are the friend, you understand me, you're hurting, you're gonna hurt me. But me and a friend. But why Uno hurt people in order to try and stay relevant? And whole heap of Uno step on people head in order to get somewhere. Yeah, deep hurt them have to. Me say me have to lobby for Rebel go out America. When me done, is either Rebel brave enough to go up an embassy or Romy send her up there. But me have to lobby for Rebel reach an embassy. Me nah make Romish hold on Rebel. Or Rebel hold on herself. She have to go get ambitious or Rebel could go and get turned on already. Me no know a rebel could have criminal record. Me just a say, me no know, but me nah stop lobby for rebel. Go at embassy, get a visa, go in America, go leave fair teeth mark in the apple.
Real man. That's one thing me I go agree with, you know what I mean? Rebel I do our thing, my people. Rebel I hottest thing right now. And me look on you and I say, oh, Rebel now fly. You know what I mean? Got big apple. Yes, what I say, but nothing beats time still. And she a make her crumbs. She a make her money. You see me, things are going for her because she there everywhere else but America. You understand? So, me don't know what going with her situation, why she not reached there yet. But time of the master still. You see it. But she a going with herself. I would love for she to get her things so she can fly. You know what I mean? I would love to see she get her thing because she a mash up the ground right through the year. Rebel book out, you know, my people, till next year, you know. And what day I see she post up her book, her date them what she book for. You see me? And a whole heap of places she book for already. She a get her kinds. But me feel say if she can fly to America, that a go be the ultimate thing for her. You know, see Rebel a do TikTok and Rebel a get whole heap of support on TikTok. But Rebel don't really go live more than so. Sometimes I'll for weeks you know see Rebel on live, then Rebel just pop up on live and gone again. Because she a go on with things in the streets. You see me I say, I would love she get her thing and can fly still.
So it's either Romish clear up every record with the pan her fingerprint or her fingerprint have. You understand me? But the year now done a Rebel no go away, man. Somebody out there have to cry for them people. Yeah, cause Rebel want somebody cry for you, cause Rebel no look all that happy, you know. She no look all that happy. Something about the Rebel, I don't know what. But something about her. Yeah man, something about her. Them no look happy. Them look tired. Them no look happy. No for sure. Them no look happy for sure. Something bother them. Something a trouble them. Oh, well, if she get her visa, she have to go up. So the plane ticket now buy, she have nobody for stay with. Max, Martin, put up Rebel for me now. But if they are California, probably Rebel one guy white. Cheese! Judge Roy. Let me check. Cause them coming on.
Over to Dyema.
Video gear strength. You know love. Side name you gear yourself. How you go? What the interview for? So you can't text the SME, but you can't text with sugar. I have something with sugar upon its own. From your band it has sugar.
Alright my people, so that's all I'm going to share with you upon this. We're going to click and go over to Dyema and what talk about. Talk about what she talk about, my people. You see me, you want to look up his side, and I say, alright, I'm going to share this with you. Yeah, so I say, because, you know, Dyema is a vocal person when it comes to relationships certain way. So, we're going to hear what she has to say right now. Alright, so make we hear what Dyema have to say. You know some, nowadays, enough of the youth, them when they take picture, them either cover up them face, them you know what I mean, hold down them head and all them something there. Dyema have a problem with that. So make we hear that and more what she have to say.
Feel. I like them, I like them pussy hole. Don't laugh. You don't know some wicked boy. You have some boy who don't know say them buy the grocery. So them buy the grocery Saturday night. And then come for bill Sunday and Monday for get Tuesday. Then you have half of the grocery between Sunday to Monday because you have for them money buy. So you know, so when they left Tuesday, then I'll come back to the Saturday again. So they know, so they name have fight already. Me know, that's why I not take things on, man. I not busy when nobody wants to say. I don't care when girl too licky man, we fucking up in her life. Girl fi be independent and learn to have their own things. I buy my own goes to pay my own rent, me to pay rent. I saw me stay. I don't want no boy come buy nothing for me. I just see phone, you know, make man buy a phone. Ladies, come and tell me something. Don't make no man buy no phone, buy no own phone. I just saw the boy them buy no phone, they feel like say they fi take control of the blood clot phone because their money buy it. Never you make a man buy a phone, yeah? Alright. When I learn something again, you say anytime no boy say they go buy no nothing, if you not buy no blood clot name, do not take it. Kind of make no sense. I have some serious take it back boy I hold ya. It don't make no sense to make no boy buy you nothing. You say no boy promise if you buy you nothing, tell them say we give you the money and you go buy yourself. I say for the moment they know say them buy. Say take for instance them buy you one TV. I don't want them no more. Them a go worry that the house night and day to the TV mash up. Say them buy one glass table, they not worry till one day they keep on the glass table. Sure, I think I joke me on me. Them a get love talk about oh me like man money. We not selling nothing like man money, but on every blood clot money nice. Some money are evil. Me different thing, I like my own money. Me not say if a boy have, me not say if a boy not having money, I feel like if he give me a piece of thing. Let me tell you something. Me not like beg man, you know. Me not beg man money, you know. Because if they fuck me, you're supposed to know say me want something. Me not supposed to tell her say, oh baby, you know say me go do a miracle and somebody go do me ear. You're supposed to know say every Saturday one girl do their ear. So you're supposed to put up my money on the table and know say, see me woman hairstyle money. I'm not supposed to come to her say me want hairstyle. I'm not supposed to tell her that because hairstyle is a must. I'm not supposed to beg you nothing. If you're living in my house and me living in I'm not supposed to tell you say Saturday a supermarket day. You're supposed to know say every Saturday a supermarket day. Because I not go blood clot beg you. Drunk from me not go beg you. Say if me live with you, you're supposed to know say Saturday a supermarket day. You're supposed to know when me want hairstyle for when me don't want hairstyle. You're supposed to know say the soap and toothpaste after in the house because pussy after wash your teeth after brush. Liquid soap or fab soap after in the house because clothes after wash. Plate after wash. I'm not supposed to tell them look something there. Say me have to go have one man, I have to go tell him say, Joe, Ray, or Carl or Sims or whatever they want name. You know what say? Me want one pack of fab to wash clothes, you worries. Eh? That's why I like independentness. I'm supposed to carry depend on my purse if I want one cake soap or I want one fab or I want one pack of something. What's the can buy? I'm supposed to come wake up no ugly boy out of them Steve if come give me money out of them wallet. Then boy have attitude have chop. Me I see with them big thinking mouth. Pan people. You know more while I wake up and pussy them out of them Steve if you tell them say like take for instance your man all name Keith. You have to the kid. Today I sat there and want the money for gas supermarket. And the big thinking drunk along in bed turn out in big summer. Okay, man. That's me asleep. Wait. Let me pour them something there with no batty boy. Hey, boy, me tell you if you live up out of my bed, me say, pussy, come out of my house. Come out. I run you.
Boy, people, me not like. Me like woman, we have them things still. But me work with a girl when I have nothing. Yes, so I say, in a life, man, I feel have something to bring to the table when them a go towards a woman. Most of the time. But a man, we take up a woman when I have nothing at all. But I rarely find woman take up man when I have nothing. Woman, we take up a man and mind him, you know. But most of the time when a woman and mind a man, that the man they already have liquor already. And the woman just like him off or whatever and deal with the man. But you're not going to find a lot of woman take up a man when I have nothing and a struggle and nothing and go on for him. But you will find a man take up a woman we have all 10 picnic and a struggle. You will find a man take up a woman like that. But you're not going to really find it that much. A woman are going to take up a man we have even 5 youth and a struggle. You understand me? And when it comes to the ear and nails part, when me I talk to women still, you know, me don't want a woman with every day want live in a nails and ear. You understand? If we have the money, can buy them thing there, you know. Yeah, alright, you know. But if we not have, if we are struggle, I don't see who we are impressed every minute. If we are go out on an occasion and you want to fix up yourself, that's okay. But just to fix up yourself, just so. You see me? That's why I'm not going to really run, go take up no hot girl. Because most of the time you have some hot girl out there where them not really work. And them want this and that every day. And if you can't manage to buy them it, them are going to find somebody else to buy them it. Because remember, you know, people ear dear, you know. They hear them with them woman you put on them expensive body, you know. A whole heap of money, you know. So me like a woman where just natural and look good and can, you know what I mean, just wash off her beard and catch up her hair or whatever, still look proper. But that different from a hot girl like Dyema, them, you know, where personality, them have to keep up for themselves. Them can't just look regular. You understand? So if me, I go take up a Dyema, you know, me have to make sure I say, yo, me have it like that. Although Dyema say she love buy her things herself, but you go on do it to as a man. Give her money every now and then. You see what I say? So me kinda choose the type of woman them me talk to still. If a woman can buy herself ear and nails and all them something there, that's a plus. You see me? But me don't really want a woman will live in a ear and nails. You must can just hold her fresh and catch up your ear and even if you put on your makeup and look, you know what I mean, decent, same way. But as me say, them are different type of people. Because them are social media personality. Dyema rebel, TC, pretty. Them people are different set of people. Them have to keep up an image, just like even artists. Artists have to keep up a type of image. You understand? So that kind of different. Is it? So let me know what you think in the comment. Make we listen some more.
Mad! I'm mad man. Me not play, me mad. Mad man, me mad. No laugh, man. Sometimes, hey, whenever there is no man yet, you don't eat them to everything with it. Whenever there is no man, you don't do them too long to don't eat them. And every word that come out of them blood clot mouth, every word that come out of them mouth, disgust, you know, sick, you know, too much. Sure. Drunk, you know, see a supermarket there. You lay down in the bed with a big stinking mouth. If you wake up and what you say? You know someone asleep, weird. Batty boy, come out of my bed. That's why I'm not going to boy, yeah. Come out of my bed and suck out your mouth. Come out of my bed. Come out of my bed. Come out of my bed, come and shake one wash. Come out, I'm going to look one different man, give me a little fab soap. What's the wall? That's why my man ever have to lick me on my head side, you know. They ever have to lick me on my head side because my mouth feisty. Because me all wake up here and tell us say supermarket there. And you all come talk about if me not say this thing. Me don't be tell us say, go on man, you block me bumbuckle traffic. And me can't get somebody else willing if you come buy supermarket money. Then they tell me go get a fist in my mouth. Because my mouth free. I just chat some things I never realize when I tell them I chat, you know. And long after I realize when I say, you know, because when I get that, I talk anything, you know. Oh, well. And you know, fist me in my place, you know. The first thing I do, I fling out your blood clot back out of my door outside, you know. And if a basket have me, I fling out your basket pussy wall. And if you want to get to a new bench, I go for the cops. And take out your drunk crow. And I'm ruling at this. Pussy and I may build this, but just be a cat, drunk crow. That's the thing I played people. So I don't know how people say me say I have to go rise up all of my blood clot old man and ask about me to blood clot. I don't know how to call me Ahmed. Right now we don't know nothing about me, we don't know half of me. We don't know what's in there with a mad old skull. Mad man. Him feel like he not get peace of me when him come. Eh? When him reach, you know, I could have 50 years if he come out, you know. The half to give him peace of Dolly, you know, because Dolly is my nickname. Him not see that side of me, he hate you, know. How? Half to give him peace. Remember all when blood clot, me say, man, they give him all a fuck, man. I remember saying when tell me say the girl and sister man. And get up out of the fuck man cause and start war man. Me serious them we there. I don't really know how me to blood clot man. Me dey restart for fuck pal. I remember saying when tell me say the girl and sister one time and I go remember man. I go remember clot man and get up out of the fuck me no why you. Mumba blood clot remember when you tell me like and just chip out. So me bipolar man. Bad. You think you can get me? You don't get me yet man. Sure. How are you man? Me is a woman young and I'm bed with my blood clot man. I remember play good fight and I play good man. I mean I remember blood clot sitting when do me man. Me cheap out, mad out, cheap out. Everyone ever is a mad man, they fuck to blood clot man. Hey, you don't know how me. You don't know how me. Me say hey. You don't know how me to blood clot. Hey, me forgive you know. But me no forget. Anything wanna do me in a life. Remember one woman do me when me a 5-year-old. And when me I tell my mother say me remember. My mother said Jesus Christ, little girl enough to have up people. I still remember to today day me a 5. Where the woman do me. One woman named Joyce.
When me have 5 minutes.
And me have 43 and me still remember where Joyce do me. Me no forget. No! Me forgive, me no forget. And every time I remember everything when nobody do me, me get mad. When you ask me come by and one day tell me to start cuss out blood clot. Me just chip out. And me just remember all who this me. And me just start this up back one of them bumbo clot. And then me have one next time me nice and one of this me. And me just not. Yeah man. Yeah man. And as Lord I don't see me being I'm nice and easy for dealing, you know. Me nice and easy for dealing. I'm telling you something. Me no know it come like me no grow up.
And that's why me I tell the man them say Bridging don't go no woman yard go live. You see me I say? Because you're gonna get too comfortable and you're gonna lay your guards down and at that the time that you're gonna get put out and you know easy if you get me never get put out by a woman yet still, you know. Because more and more feel comfortable for a woman stay at my yard more than me go a woman yard go stay. If me I go a woman yard, it must be like for a couple of days. But for moving, me never live with a woman yet and I don't think more than ever live with a woman. Some story where some man have about living with a woman and even if you go visit a woman, go a woman yard, me, you're mad. Enough man lose them 3 points so. That's what I say. Enough man have story or them coulda lose them 3 points or somebody lose them 3 points going to a woman yard. You see me? One time something ever happened to me. That's a long story still. It not really happened to me. Almost happened. You see it? So, who the guy no woman yard go live still? Big woman thing. Because this you go under woman rule. You see it? Let me cut some more.
Boss, my fridge and show them fridge. My fridge full of beer, little apple malt juice. Beer cheap. Cool kids. And them little fucker there. And you know, say me not watch gun show. Me watch a little series, I mean high school show, I watch BT, me turn and watch and cartoon, you know. And me love ramp, you know. That's why any of me carry any man. Because me love ramp. Me rampy. Miserable as I say me be. Me rampy, me love ramp. Me don't want no man if you can't ramp, me can't look at the pillar, you get serious. Me don't want them the man there. If I gun tone, you come pussy, you go fuck man. If me man I can't use the pillar and lick, say you bust out a laugh. What me I do with you? What me I do with you? Eh? What me I do with you? And a boxing ring me in if me the ramp with you, the fist off a blood clot me. Eh? I mean, I want no man. Me no want no man. All if you're not social media personnel, me not have to put up your social media. But you know something I want little memories. Me can't click my phone so me lay down in a bed and snap. Get it? I like if you want it, batty boy, go find station and put in your blood clot self. Me not talk say basically if you post, you know, because everybody want to go on media. But more while you want little memories. You want a little memories to look back on and say, alright then, when they are so, whatever, and whatever. You understand? I really if you say post. Me turn on my blood clot, I'm ready dog. If you wanted, you find the blood clot station a lie and go on in. Cause me not David wanted man. For me can't put my camera up and you drunk. Go on then man, go on. Me supposed to can play two little funny snap. Pull two little funny snap on my face and laugh together. I laugh to myself. You keeping a your phone, me keeping a my phone. We no must post it on media. No one then you go on your yard. Me there for me yard. Me can't look back at the little video and remember the little memories of me in the RAM. Come now, make a race. We don't must have video if you go on no media and them look something because not everybody like the media. But we can't really live memories there. Remember saying no, you have some man and woman don't live together. Man can't spend one little weekend with you. You vice versa. You ever tell you go a film place a weekend. You want to see a little video of a little weekend. When they have fear yard, you don't see a man. You can look back at the little video them. You all cook and watch it all the video and smile and say, look lad, this is the day that is nice. You all get back, reflect and text him and say, you know what I just look pan? Me help on the video, me here they play pillar fight. Yeah. Life is enjoy, explored. I mean, I want no blood clot, man. I take up there, no kerchief. I don't time me there with the DP set a bad blood clot, boy. For me bad boy, them need. Me no want no bad boy, tie up the kerchief round and that's so me 8 seed. I mean, when the man them catching blood clots 50 upon their lip, so me no like see it. I mean, I like when the other part them, the weird and them batty will like them shit up, me no like see it. Me I walk with Willie, and me see Willie pants a drop. I say, hey, pull up a pants and pull up here. I like it, might not look good. Like your clothes a drop off, your clothes can't fit you. By your size then. Cause why is your pants the way you're gonna say underpants up here so? I mean I love to see your underpants, I mean you're not there with the crowd. I like it, man, not look good. And sometimes boy them have the kerchief tie around their neck and so. And about one spliff you so, one craving it. Go suck your mother with that batty boy. I come and place with that. Your craving is supposed to carry in one box. I get one little plastic bag. I put a little craving in a little weed in it. I sit down in one corner, you burn it.
Yeah, you know if you advertise. You see me? John, them the type of man them will look like say them love the smoking more than how them love a woman. You see it cause you know attractive if you have sitting all smoking all over your body. In your 2 ears, them in your mouth, in your hand. You see me, I say, you must can just, if you go up on a end, go blaze up something, you keep everything in your pocket, you reach for ends, you take off whatever you take off, even if up on one car and up on the roadside, whatever. You take out what you take out, blaze up, whatever. You know what I mean? You walk, go back at your yard, you can, you know what I mean, just put it in your pocket or whatever. But some man, smoking at them life, is it? So people are right here, so you know what I mean, we're going to end this. Yeah, so alright, so we're going to end it with people. Let me know what you think in our comment section.